Hi, the purpose of this video is to show you how to insert what we would call a hard page break. So first what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make this break onto more than one page. So I'm going to select all the text by hitting Control A, and then I'm going to increase the font size, which is going to kick it to, normally you wouldn't have a document be this long, but you'll see that my page is going to go from one page to 4 pages. So now it's quite big. Okay, so we have this scenario here where policy statement, the heading for this paragraph falls on this page, and I don't want that. I want it to stay with this paragraph. Now, there's other ways to do this, but one easy way to do this is to insert what we call a hard page break. Now, typically speaking, what most of you probably do when you want to put a page break in is you put in extra enters. So you hit enter, 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 enter until it gets to another page. The problem with that method is when you go to change your formatting later, you have all of these extra character turns that you don't need. Okay, so instead what makes sense is for you to insert what we call a hard page break. So there's a couple of different ways you can do this. If you go to the Layout tab, you'll see in the breaks area here, you want to have your cursor where you want it to page break. You could go to breaks, and then you would just simply pick page break, and that would insert a hard page break for you, so it forces it to go from this page to this page. Now, you can't see the page break. The reason for that, we don't have show hide on. So watch when I turn show hide on, you'll see that the page break is actually displayed there as page break. So what's nice about that is you could delete that page break just like you could delete anything else. So if I click to the left of it, if I hit my delete key now, then it would it would remove my page break, basically. It would remove my page break. So keyboard shortcut for inserting a page break. I use this all the time, all the time. Hold down the control key and hit enter. And that will also insert a page break. Okay, so what you want to be mindful of when you are inserting page break is where your cursor is. That is so important because, for example, if you're just sitting in the middle of a paragraph here and you insert a page break, now all of a sudden half your paragraph's up here and the other half is up here, and that's not what you wanted. So, and I showed in an earlier video, oftentimes you might want to include a cover page at the beginning of your document. In that case, you would click to the top of your page by hitting Control Home or just clicking there. And then again, you would do Control Enter, and that way you have a blank page now where you can type your cover page, and then your rest of your document starts on the next page. So that's all I want to talk about for this video. Thanks for watching.